Hello, my name is Rick McIntosh, President and the Contractor King. And yes, this is really on my office door. Anyway, you're a contractor and most likely you're looking for some information or some quotes on your business insurance. Let me assure you, you've come to the right place. We shop like 50 different insurance companies, and that helps you save some time and some money. We're not your average auto and home insurance agent. We speak contractor insurance, and we deal with general liability, tools and equipment, workers' comp, commercial auto, and bonds daily. So tell us about your business. We're listening. I invite you to call 952-469-0425 and ask your questions. They're always free. My name is Rick McIntosh. Feel free to ask for me personally. We're here to help you. We're honest, and we'll give you the best deal the first time. So give us a call, 952-469-0425. Thank you.